Sources updates. Hello everybody. Well, are you going for the experience or are you just getting just the routine? By the way, hi everybody to connecting. I know Manny, he likes to keep the routine. You are kind of like me, but at the same time, sometimes I like to have some experiences. I'm gonna share with that right now in a minute. I had experience to take yesterday my kids for the first time ever to the Angels Stadium in Anaheim to see the Angels playing Yankees. Yankees, my dad's baseball team, huh? So I'm gonna share the experience with you right now. And why do you think the prices keep going up and up and up and higher? Huh? Why the prices keep going up? Do you think it's because the houses actually are more expensive? Or do you think it's just because the rates are keeping the house going higher? What do you think? Well, I'm gonna share you two tips why this is happening. And last but not least, what is more important? Talking about the prices of the houses. The interest rate of the house that you're gonna get on the mortgage for the house that you're gonna buy, the location of the house that you wanna buy, how many rooms probably you wanna have on the house, or maybe that you finally can get approved now, you don't need to wait after you've been waiting all this time. Well, let's go to the point. Let's start with that part. Let's start with the house, huh? I just got clear to close. Congratulations to the Caballero family, by the way. Clear to close to the Caballero family. They were selling and concurrently buying and closing a house. Let me tell you this. By the way, this is similar to the Moncada's file, and I'm gonna tell you what's the difference here. Why this client, the Caballeros family, are selling a house where they have over $200,000 equity with the interest rate on the 3% because they bought it around 5 years ago. And now they're gonna buy a house with almost 6% rate. Why? Why somebody will do that, huh? Well, simple. Let me tell you this. This is the reason. Those are the buyers today, by the way. The buyers today, they need to buy. This is not just because they wake up and I feel like today I want to buy real estate. No, that's not the way it is. By the way, the Caballero family, they're living in a 3-bedroom home, east side, with a 3% rate, yes. However, they need more space. The family grew and they want to move to the west in a better location. You know what? They decided to sell the house. By the way, congratulations to John Barris on this transaction and Laurie Fisher for the listing. Thank you. They decided to sell the house and the $200,000 equity, put it as a down payment on the new one. Almost $600,000 west side, 5 bedrooms. They have the space now they need. The payment, yes, went up, but they don't care. They have a lot of equity. They can afford it. That's the kind of buyer we're looking for. So what is more important for them right now? Do you think it's the interest rate? No, the most important thing is looking what they need. They need to satisfy a need. When you're gonna buy a house, you have a need. You're looking for a location, you're looking for space, you're looking if you can qualify to buy the house, regardless of the rate, is how much the payment would be that you can afford to have it. And maybe you're divorcing and you have a need to split and have a different space for yourself, huh? Well, this is the situation with the Caballero family, and this is the kind of buyer we're going through today. And I'm happy to help, and I'm here to help them. If you need any more help, let me know. Now, going back to the point of why the prices keep going up, huh? Do you have any idea? Well, let me tell you this. I have here in writing, by the way. Just in case you don't know, I talked about this in a video a few months ago. We have a shortage of housing. There are more buyers, more people in need to have a home for their families than before. And the inventory is not growing. The inventory is half. So we have half of the inventory that we used to have before the pandemic. And the inventory goes down and the population keep growing. What do you think is gonna happen? It's gonna put pressure on the prices of the house. But at the same time, we have accumulated shortage of housing since the market crashed. That was why I was saying crash. Since 2010, 2012. We never recovered from there in building new construction to satisfy the needs of the market. We have 5 million houses shortage that we need to cover that gap after 10 years of shortage. So we have half of the inventory, we have shortage on building. And now what's new? Just in June, we had a new number for new build permits. The new builds are down 7%. So the inventory is not growing and they are not building new houses to make that inventory grow. So the interest rate going higher is not enough to calm down that pressure. That is the reason why the prices keep going up, and that's why I believe the prices might keep going up. When this might change, my opinion, my point of view, when it's going to change, if there is a huge big impact on financing, which right now we don't see anything because right now we see a lot of flow of money. Any kind of financing we can do. I just closed a loan, ITIN loan. I just closed a bank statement loan with 15% down. I just closed a loan with profit and loss, not even bank statements. So without any kind of, I'm closing a loan right now with no income at all. And we already did another one. Half of my transactions are kind of non-traditional financing because this is where the money is. And the people are not looking at the rates. I'm closing loans with 5-6% FHA, and I'm closing loans with 8-10% private money, non-traditional financing. So the rates are not the most important thing on the prices, believe it or not. Not yet. But financing, yes, is important. So we'll see what's going to happen, I don't know, 6-12 months. But this cycle is not over. Up. Last but not least, experience. I was with my kids yesterday. We have a blast at the Angels game. We had the opportunity to go with Melanie. Melanie has her cousin and her almost uncle there with us. We went to see our team. Well, I don't know, I don't know, but you have many teams. I have in baseball, I have 3 teams. My Dodgers, my dear to my heart here in LA. I have Angels because they are from SoCal, and I support them anyway, even though I shouldn't because they are rivals, I don't know, enemies. But I don't care, I don't think that way. And last but not least, Yankees in the East Coast. And Yankees because my dad used to be a Yankees fan. He used to listen to the Yankees game all the time in his room, in the radio. I remember those times like yesterday, and he telling me the stories about everything. So yesterday I had the opportunity to take my kids to see the Angels game versus Yankees, and we have a blast. So that was an experience. It's not part of my routine, even though I like to keep my routine straight, even though I've been changing my habits to stay healthy, to stay happy, meditating, doing the yoga, and doing a bunch of sports. By the way, I did my first yoga class with Barbara yesterday and Sebastian. And Barbara did the whole thing. Can you believe that? Oh my God, so happy, so blessed. Anyway, last but not least, tomorrow is Naret, the Pulse of the Desert in Lancaster, the Columbus, something of the Columbus. If you want to know more, let me know. But I'll be there. Lender in the house, clear to close. That's it for now. I love you. Peace out. If nobody has told you ever, or nobody has told you recently, I love you. I'm telling you right now, I love you. Peace out. Bye-bye.